Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. I got a new radio to play with. Inside of this box is a Xiegu G90 and it's broken. We're gonna do a real quick fix and it's gonna make the radio look so much more beautiful. Let's get over on the bench and take a look. G90's are fantastic radios. I love G90's. I'll show you what all came with it. We have the power cord, we have an audio cable, we have a broken knob, which is why we're all here in this video. We have the separation cable, we have the CE19, which might as well be called POS 19. We have a cable to connect to the CE19. We have a microphone, the typical chunky boy that comes with all the Xiegu radios. We have the cat control cable. And then we have the radio itself. Let's get this box out of here. So, the reason we're here is because these knobs, you can see right inside here that these things are made of not the most reliable components on the planet. However, it's a fairly standard knob size, and you're never going to believe this, but you can get guitar effects knobs, and they're the right size to go right onto the radio. So I have a couple of samples here for you, and there's a couple of links in the description down below. These were supposed to be like anodized red, which I think is a pretty awesome color on car parts, the anodized red and the anodized blue that you get inside of engine bays. And it fits on nicely on the radio, but I don't like it as much. It's I don't know, it's not right. It feels pretty good to turn. It's not tightened down yet, but you know, it's a good size. And then these ones here, I thought these ones here were pretty snazzy looking. These are abalone shells, and this is a friction fit, and this is a set screw fit. But I think that looks pretty good, but it's pretty small. It still feels pretty good, and they come in multiples in the box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change these guys out. I'm going to clean this thing up a little bit. We're going to get you some beauty shots, because I think this is going to work out nicely. Let's see if we can get these knobs off without breaking them. And if we do break them, I have replacement knobs, so it's not that big of a deal. It's moving, and so is the back screw. We'll tighten that back screw down. One down, two down. All right, let me get that thing tightened up. Okay, that takes care of that. Let's pick the best one out of all of these. This is abalone, so it's kind of a natural material, and you never know what you're going to get. But this one has this line down the center of it. And while it's visually interesting, it doesn't match the other ones as well. So I'm going to go with these three, and we're going to see what turns up there. And I'm also going to get all this dust off of it, so it looks pretty for our beauty shots later. Okay, and like I said, these are just slide-on fittings. So we just get it in place. And kind of gently push it home. Okay, those ones fit on a little bit better than the BFO knob does. And I grabbed the wrong one anyway. After all of that, let me get that back off. Get that one out of the way so I don't make that same mistake again. Nice. Perfect. Let's get some beauty shots for you. All right, so there are links in the description for the abalone knobs and for the anodized aluminum knobs, and also other knobs that will fit. It's a very common knob size because it's all the ones that go onto electric guitars and electric bass for fine-tuning some of the details out on those devices, those Git boxes. Tell me what you think in the comments about whether or not you think this looks better or not. I'm a big boy, I can take it. I gotta fix it no matter what because the VFO knob was broken, and a radio without a VFO is like a car without tires. Or a fish without a bicycle. I don't know. Either way, there's a video right over here I think you will enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.